Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we're going to take an adventure walking around downtown Laguna Beach in Laguna Beach, California, and see what this place has to offer. So we are here in downtown Laguna Beach, and look at this beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean. Here we are on this is Main Beach Park, and here on our left is the Laguna Beach lifeguard station. This is the main lifeguard station that serves Laguna Beach, and here is Main Beach Park, and we'll be walking on the Laguna Beach boardwalk at the main beach. Main Beach here in Laguna Beach is one of the popular beaches here in Laguna Beach. Here we have basketball courts along with a view of the beautiful, pristine Pacific Ocean. Here you can see there are many people out here in this Southern California sunny day. Here's the sun. And look at this beautiful view. And we are actually walking on the boardwalk. And you can see people playing basketball, putting up some hoops. And you have people congregating on the beach. And you also have people playing a game of volleyball. So there are lots to do here on Main Beach. So here's the Laguna Beach Theater, and you see in the distance. And here is one of the main intersections in downtown Laguna Beach, which is the Pacific Coast Highway and Broadway. And this street leads to Laguna Canyon Road. That takes you to the cities of Irvine and Lake Forest, including Laguna Woods and Laguna Niguel. So here are some lifeguards out here. And there are lots to do on this park. Here's the theater, the Laguna Beach Theater in downtown Laguna Beach. And you can also visit downtown Laguna Beach for their arts festival, Sawdust Festival, that takes place here in downtown Laguna Beach. Laguna Beach is a coastal town, and Laguna Beach is a separate city from Laguna Niguel and Laguna Woods. Here you have some ice cream vendors here. Here you have a part of downtown Laguna Beach which we'll be exploring later, but let's take one last view of the Pacific Ocean. And here is an iconic photograph location here, the most photographed on social media, which is this lifeguard tower. And a fun fact about this lifeguard tower used to be a part of a gas station that used to house a gas station attendant. So it was moved there to serve as a lifeguard tower. So here's Pacific Coast Highway. This is one of the most historic buildings here in Laguna Beach. That is the Hotel Laguna. And here's Laguna Beach Trolley. This is a free trolley that takes you up and down in the city of Laguna Beach. As we go to our left here, this is Pepper Tree Lane, 450 Pepper Tree Lane on the front of Pacific Coast Highway. And let's go ahead and see what is inside and what this place has to offer. So this is one of many landmarks, iconic landmark here in downtown Laguna Beach. You can see this place does get busy here. So let's go ahead and navigate our way through. And I really love the aesthetic of this pepper tree lane. Here you have people line up to get their lotto fix here. And here's an alleyway along with a parking structure. And yeah, so that is Pepper Tree Lane, and let's go ahead and check out Forest Avenue. So here we are. We're on an intersection of Forest Avenue and Pacific Coast Highway, and this is one of the most popular streets in downtown Laguna Beach. Here's the view of the Pacific Coast Highway looking south. Here's the Laguna Beach Library. And Forest Avenue has been closed down to traffic in order to have this outdoor commons area. Here we have several shops here. And look how busy this area is. Here you have the shop that sells fashion, clothing, apparel. Here's fine art galleries, and downtown Laguna Beach serves as a artist colony for many artists here in Orange County. Here you have more fashion stores, and you have outdoor eating areas for these restaurants. And even though this pandemic has been bad, the only best things that came out of this pandemic is the option of being able to transform these streets into a livable outdoor common area for the public. So I really hope this transform how we view things and being able to go outside in public, being able to utilize outdoor spaces instead of being used as space for cars. So here's Forest Avenue. Here north of Forest Avenue you have several shops here. And I'm going to walk down this street. You have several shops on this street also, and you have this beautiful mural here. There are some shops on this street, on that side of the street, that is. So we have walked our way here on a corner of Beach and Broadway. Broadway serves as a state route 133, which is a highway that ends at Pacific Coast Highway 1, and Broadway leads to Laguna Canyon Road and to the Cesar Line. So that is Broadway, and we are back on the main street Beach here, and here's a beautiful sunset. So what a beautiful day here in downtown Laguna Beach in Laguna Beach, California. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about Laguna Beach. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures, and I will see you on the next one.